We are in Tinhay, Lifton, to see this 3-bedroom property. It's located really accessibly and it's got a very vast amount of parking, which is brilliant. So it's all very secure. It's got its own entrance gate just there. Really great amount of outside space, as you can see. You've also got the single garage there, which has power and light. I'll just show you the garden. So, the garden here, all quite easy to maintain. There's a few trees around to look after as well. Got the oil tank and side there. And just through there, you can peer into the lake. I'll show you more upstairs. Lifton has many facilities whilst also being really close to A30. So come on inside. Really good sized entrance hall here. As I mentioned, oil fired central heating. Lounge with wood burner and a lovely bay window, which obviously looks out to the front there. Moving through, kitchen. Does have a very handy understairs cupboard. And it leads into utility area. Looking into the nice garden. And then also a further utility area with plumbing just here. Finally, downstairs is the dining room, which obviously has a door leading to outside as well, and another bay window looking to the front. So upstairs, you've got 3 bedrooms, really great sized windows, quite a few nice character features through the house. So bathroom first, nice units, shower over the bath. That does look out to the rear garden as well. So double bedroom through here. Again, looking out to the front. Another very good sized double. And finally is the 3rd bedroom, looking to the side. And what a view